Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
So this video is gonna have a lot of just going down my to-do list. I had to fix my Audi, my daily driver. I was having a problem where it was stuttering on acceleration. Figured out it was the coil pack, so I got new coil packs and plugs, and I threw those in. Whole thing from ECS Tuning, a whole kit with spark plugs, with performance ones, I guess, or something. But put that in, check engine light's gone, no more misfire, it's not stuttering no more. So now we're gonna do some work on the truck, just do some quick TLC, little oil change piece, got some new oil filter, a new oil can because my other one's just destroyed. Also, hopefully today, do some much needed TLC on the KLX, probably the 50cc scooter, and maybe even get to work on the MB5. So a lot to do today. First things first, I gotta move the garage around. Quick little V8 piece, a little maintenance on the V8 piece. This is the 5.3. I don't know if I've even really shown this truck, but I'm not really a truck guy, so I pretty much just bought this just to transport the dirt bikes and everything like that. So she does the job well. She has some really off-balance wheels right now, so she's really shaky on the freeway. And time for an oil change. Truck looks like it has a pretty bad oil leak. There's oil. Flash caked all over this thing, so that's all. There's some fresh oil dripping right there. It's weird because it doesn't really leak on the ground, but right there, this oil looks like it's coming from the front of the motor. This broken ass power wash, bro. It's like stripped for the hosier thing, so he's got to jam that Johnny in there. But cleaning it off, boys. No butt plug in it. Getting a little risky. Remember that time that we got that super cheap dirt bike off Craigslist? That was like, I think it was like $500 that we bought. Well, it's back. It was literally at our buddy's house for like a year now, maybe even over a year or something. And we just went and picked it up. Forgot we even had this thing, to be honest. KDX 200. Old school Johnny. I don't know where the plastic is. Then my buddy dropped off this like Tao quad, which is literally exactly like the mopeds, like quality wise and like parts wise. And it was having some problems, so we put a new carburetor in it. I just put the old one up here. It's like a cheap kit carburetor filter. This is the old one, but it looks the exact same. I just put that in. So brand new carb. Just got brand new fuel line. Put some new fuel line on it. New fuel filter about to go on. And also what just now came in, which I lost, here it is a new shutoff valve, because I know that's what the issue was. It kept leaking fuel, and I just had to plug this because even with it off, there's still fuel wanting to leak out of here. So the shutoff valve somewhere just is not doing the job. So this should fix that. So we're gonna throw this in, and then this thing should be done. Alright, now I just gotta unplug the one from the actual gas tank, put the new line on with the fuel filter, plug it into there, and then she should be good. Alright, we got the new filter, new carb, new shutoff valve. I just got the carb running a little better. This is running a little lean. Update on the garage. I did this the other night too. This upgrade, because I only had one shelf before and it was getting cluttered. Now I just added on 2 shelves, which was actually 3 because I had extra shelves and I used the same leg, if that makes sense. So I bought 1 extra kit and it made 3. And now I have all this room. So this is gonna be all my spare wheels for drifting. Over here is all engines. Just gonna be random stuff up here. This is all just like new parts to put on. These are all just old bins of just parts and stuff. I had to make room because I would bring the E36 back any day now. I'm telling myself right now, because I was just looking at other projects last night, that I'm not going to get myself into another project right now because I need to fix like everything I have. So I have the MB5. I need to get that running still. Still got the 2 scooters. I need to get this one running, so I need to do that video soon. A little bit more on that. I gotta order some stuff for that, and I need to do a lot to the bug. Fix this thing up and just, even if it's sitting here, I want it sitting here where I can at least go drive it, because right now it's sitting here where I can't go. I've just been slacking on this lately. And then my fork seals are blowing out of my dirt bike, so that's all right. That's all right. Oh, this one's singing right now. Drop it. You're going crazy, bro. No more tail light. Time to fix up some things on the KLX piece. So we got loose exhaust. This one's loose. That one's not even touching. And I think the other one's completely loose. Maybe I'll do an oil change on the KLX piece. Probably a good idea. Got the exhaust tightened down there. Now I'm tightening the actual muffler on because it seemed a little loose. So I gotta take all this off. And I think I might clean the air filter on it while I'm working on this thing. Alright, chain's good. And on there. Gonna pull out the front plastic and do the air filter now. We got that BBR piece on here, so looks like this little dust shield. Take off the filter, clean off the filter. All cleaned up. I gotta let it dry and then I'll spray some oil on them. Pulled out the 150 because I haven't rode it in so long, so just want to get it started up, let it run a bit. Looks like the battery's dying in it too. Kicks, but let it run a bit. Letting the air filter dry on the 110 before I spray some air filter oil on it and put it back together. About to check the oil in this bike because it looked pretty low, and possibly do an oil change. Dude's going crazy because of the sound of the bike. Just did the oil on this bike though. So she's sitting pretty now. Got some freshy oil in her. Back wheels all tightened. Air filter might be dried out by now. I'm gonna put those wheels that are in boxes on my car once I get my car back. Those are the chrome Johnnies. I don't even think I've shown in the video yet, but I will probably in the next video. Also got the Dio headset that I'm gonna show in a video. I don't want to show that stuff yet if I'm not gonna be putting it on. I don't want to just, you know, like it's special to me. So. Yeah, clean up though. We're looking good over here, boys. Taking a little pizza break while I got my air filter literally zip tied to the fan to speed dry it because it's too cold outside to dry it off. So we got a speed drying over there. All right, boys, we got everything back together, everything running. KLX is all done, running again. The 50s actually put way more together than it was with the front shield on and running. MB5 running again. If you saw that video, this video has kind of been taken over the last like 2 weeks of working on stuff. So Stoker's running, and tomorrow I'm picking up the E36 again. So a lot to come. Stoked I was able to get a lot off the to-do list and get a lot done, including the cars and everything like that. So now I can focus on a few of the main projects I have, which is the E36 and the Elites, and get those done. So we're looking good, boys. Make sure to check the description if you want to grab yourself a MOPBOYZ sticker and check the website out. And grab yourself a MOPBOYZ sticker to support your boys. But that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.